So that's the boiler room that we hired Jesus to come in there and redo the sheetrock. We have to have an estate inspection. That room has to be clean, clear of debris. We asked Jesus 3 separate times to clean out all that sheetrock, all that insulation. We had to put a door, cover at the top. I'm gonna go back and show you that because he didn't do that and the insulation was just falling out. So here's one of the issues that we had multiple times with Jesus, conversations, and nothing got done. So that door right there in the ceiling, we just built that because he didn't do it, and that's where all that insulation and crap is falling from. So this is just one of many that I'm getting ready to send you of stuff that he was hired and paid for and didn't complete. There's a electrical outlet right there, not covered. Just, you know, gaps in the ceiling. It's supposed to all be sealed. So, one of many issues.